Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Marlon and I like to do a lot of travel, photography related, gear related kind of content. So if that's your kind of thing, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about what's in my camera bag, specifically for when I do my street photography videos or for when I go out doing street photography with my Fujifilm X100F. And no, this isn't the V. I don't have the latest camera, but the F. You know, I still love this camera. It's pretty awesome camera in my opinion. I've been shooting with it since November, so I've been enjoying it ever since I got it. But yeah, today's video is not going to blow you away. I'm probably not going to show you anything you probably haven't seen in the past. But I wanted to start creating some content. I haven't done these type of videos in a while because I was trying to change the content on the channel. I was trying to get out more, do more vlogs. Street photography vlogs, travel vlogs, that type of content. But due to the current situation, I'm forced to create out of my house as much as I possibly can. So I hope you guys find some value out of this video. And yeah, we're just gonna take a look at what's in my camera bag. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in this bag. This is actually the Domkey F5XB camera bag. I've had this for a few years now. I did a review on it and I really like this bag. This bag has been great. It's perfect for this type of setup. It's very compact. And I really like using this bag. So I'll put the link down below. I did a review on it, so you guys can check that out if you're interested. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Here's my camera. I shoot with the Fujifilm X100F. But yeah, let me show you how I have my camera, the accessories that I have on it. I have this, I recently got this lens hood, and I believe I mentioned this in a recent video. This is the Hyoji X49B lens hood, and I really like this lens hood because it's very low profile or slim, as you can see there to the camera. Doesn't really stick out that much. I haven't really noticed like any vignetting or anything like that, but what I really like about it, aside from it being really slim, is that the Fujifilm lens cap works with it perfectly, so I can use that when I need to. Unlike when I use my square hood, I couldn't put the lens hood on. So the camera strap that I use, this is the LETHAUSonline.com. This guy's in Turkey and he does really good work. I was really very pleased with this camera strap. So I'll put the link down if you guys want to check him out. So I will tell you, if you're in the US, it took about 3 weeks for me to get. So that's one of the only, bad things. But the quality of this camera strap is excellent. This is leather on here. And it does include the protectors right here like that. The leather protector as well. It comes all there. Very nice camera straps. I really like the quality. In addition to that, I have the Mikey MK-X100FG hand grip. And this is all aluminum. This part right here matches very well with the camera body. So I really like this hand grip. It just makes the camera, it does make it a little bit bigger and all that, but I'm not too concerned about that because this is still a very compact camera in my opinion. Really nice hand grip. The build quality is really solid. I really like that. And it has a cutout on the bottom, so if you need to change your battery or your SD card, you just pop that open and you don't have to take this all off. And it has some additional threads here for you to, for a tripod or whatnot. Up top, I have the thumb grip. This is a LENSMATE thumb grip. I like using that. Makes just holding this camera is like almost perfect in my opinion. With those two accessories, I really like the feel of it. It's a sexy camera. Check it out. Not the latest one, but I still like this camera. In addition to that, I have the Fujifilm TCL X100B, the second version of this. And unfortunately, I haven't actually been able to go out and make any videos with this one yet because of the whole situation that we're going through right now. I picked this up about a month ago or a month and a half ago, but I've been shooting around with it, around the house and, just testing it out. And I'm very pleased with the image quality. It's very nice. I like that when you adapt this to the camera, you don't have to go into the menus. It automatically recognizes it, so you don't have to go in there and switch. But it's a nice piece of glass. It's a nice addition. I got this because I do, while my favorite focal length for street photography is, 30 millimeter, 35 millimeter. I do enjoy using the 50 millimeter equivalent as well. And this will put me right there. So far I've been very pleased with it. I don't like the extra, bulk. It makes it a little bit heavier, throws it a little bit off balance. But this isn't always on my camera. So I don't, in that aspect, I don't mind it. But just thought I'd point it out. It does make it a little bit bulkier. Obviously, it's pretty big. And it brings this nice little pouch. All right, in the pockets here, I have 2 extra batteries for the X100F. And these are the Power Extra NPW126. These are 1500 milliamp hour batteries. I've been using this since I bought this camera back in November, early November, and they've worked great. They're really good. They're solid. So no complaints about those right there. Those are third party, but they work great. I have my little small rig tool, multi-tool. This is a great addition to my kit. It has several options there for you to use. Must have, in my opinion. First, in the front pouch here, I have some lens wipes. These are the Zeiss ones. A little cloth to wipe the lens if I need to. A little brush. Just to keep my equipment, or clean it when I need to. Now, I also bring along my GoPro with me. Even if I'm not making street photography vlogs, just never know when you need it. But most of the time when I do bring this along, it's just to make a street photo vlog. I have the small tree adapter, GoPro adapter, and that just goes on top of my camera. Attach my camera, or my GoPro on top of the Fujifilm X100 right there like that. And that'll be my setup for when I do the street photo vlogs. And by the way, this is the Ulanzi GoPro vlogging case. I had this for a while as well. I have a video on that one as well. The microphone adapter is right here. And speaking of microphones, I'm using the Rode Go wireless mic system. I've been using that for a lot of my videos lately, and I really enjoy it. This is the case for it. I'm actually filming that right now with it. I'm going to take it off real quick just to show you guys. It's the Rode Wireless Go. And it brings the wind muffs. You can plug in a lavalier mic here if you need to. And by the way, the wind muffs that the Rode Wireless Go system brings, these are the first versions of them. They pop off fairly easy. If you have the first version, Rode will send you the second version for free. Just got to go to the website and claim those. Now, that's what I use for the microphone for the GoPro. The only other things I got in here are a USB-C cable for my GoPro. I have some spare GoPro batteries. These are the Tellison ones. These have worked really good. I did a review on this kit that Tellison sent me. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. Last but not least, I have an extra SD card. Been using the PNY ones. This is the 64 gigabyte. The Elite Performance card works great. I've had these for about 2 years and no issues so far. I didn't have it in the bag earlier. It's the Manfrotto Pixie, the mini tripod. And usually I'll just put that on top like that and just close my camera camera bag like that and roll. I just bring that along, not really for street photography, just in case I want to take, I need the tripod to take a shot for something else or whatever, a landscape shot, whatnot. So yeah, that's what I got in my camera bag there for when I do street photography with the Fujifilm X100F. Let me know if you guys have any questions, any comments, drop them down below. I'd appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It does help my videos with the algorithm here on YouTube. And if you really liked it, make sure you share it. But yeah, for now, that's going to do it. I know this is a short video, but like I said, during these times, I'm just trying to come up with new ways of creating content. And I hope you guys are all doing well, wherever in the world you guys are at. Please stay safe. Make sure you stay home at this time. And let's try to get this, let's try to get back to normal as soon as possible. Take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.